So, Wynn Resorts is in hot water again. This time, they're admitting to letting unlicensed money transfer businesses funnel funds to gamblers at their Las Vegas casino.
Wow, that's a big deal. I didn't realize it was that widespread. What exactly happened?
That's a good question. The SEC filing doesn't mention him by name, but it's clear that this investigation has been going on for years, long before he resigned, so it's possible that he could still face some legal repercussions. But for now, he's focusing on his own legal battles related to sexual misconduct allegations.
Right, he's been accused of sexual misconduct by multiple women, and he's been facing a lot of backlash. It's a whole other story, but it's definitely something to keep in mind. So, what does this mean for Wynn Resorts? Will they be able to recover from this?
It's hard to say. They're facing a lot of scrutiny right now, and they've already paid a huge fine. But they're also saying that they're putting these legacy issues behind them and focusing on the future. So it's possible that they can turn things around, but it's going to take a lot of work to rebuild trust with their customers and investors.
I guess we'll have to wait and see. It's definitely a big story, and it's going to be interesting to see how it all plays out. Thanks for filling me in on all of this.
Apparently, they were facilitating these transactions for years, allowing people from China and other countries to gamble without having to go through the proper channels. It's all about avoiding anti-money laundering laws and regulations.
That's pretty serious. I mean, it's not just about the money, it's about the potential for criminal activity. How did they get away with it for so long?
Well, it seems like they had a system in place. They used these flying money schemes, where unlicensed agents would transfer money to the casino for gamblers who couldn't access cash in the U.S. They also had these human heads who would gamble on behalf of others who couldn't place bets themselves.
That's incredibly elaborate. It sounds like they were really trying to hide their tracks. I wonder if they thought they could get away with it forever.
It's hard to say, but it seems like they were caught eventually. The Justice Department has been investigating this for a decade, and they've finally reached a settlement. Wynn Resorts is paying a hefty $130 million fine and admitting to wrongdoing.
That's a lot of money. I guess it shows that they're taking this seriously. But what about the people who were involved in these schemes? Are they facing any consequences?
Yes, actually. The Justice Department says that 15 people have already admitted to money laundering and other crimes, and they've paid millions in penalties, so it seems like they're cracking down on everyone involved.
That's good to hear. It's important to hold everyone accountable, not just the company. But what about Steve Wynn? He's the former CEO, and he's been at the center of a lot of controversy lately. Is he facing any charges?